When the thermostat fan is turned on and voltage measured between G and C reads 24 to 27 volts, that confirms the thermostat is commanding the blower and the control board is responding. First, isolate power and remove the thermostat cover to access the G terminal and the common C terminal. Use a quality multimeter set to AC 20 volts to 30 volts range and probe G to C while the fan switch is on to verify a steady 24 to 27 volt signal, which indicates the thermostat is completing the circuit correctly. Second, if voltage is present, observe the furnace or air handler. The blower motor should start within a few seconds, and the system control board status light will usually flash a code or show a steady indicator, confirming the relay activation. Consult the equipment manual for specific LED patterns. Third, if voltage is absent, check for a blown 5 amp or 3 amp fuse on the control board, loose wiring at the thermostat base, or a tripped transformer. Replace the fuse only after confirming the underlying fault is resolved and secure any loose connections. Fourth, if voltage is present but the blower does not run, test the blower by supplying the same 24-volt signal directly at the blower relay coil terminals to determine whether the relay or motor is at fault. Avoid powering the motor directly from line voltage without proper knowledge. Fifth, use an ammeter or clamp meter on the blower motor wiring to measure current draw against manufacturer specifications to detect motor overload or mechanical binding. Excessive current suggests bearing failure or an obstructed blower wheel. Sixth, document all readings, photos of wiring, and control board LED patterns to support repair decisions or contractor consultations. Common issues include no voltage between G and C caused by a failed thermostat, which is solved by substituting a known good thermostat or testing thermostat continuity. Second, voltage present but no blower operation due to a defective relay or control board, which is solved by testing the relay coil and replacing the board or relay module as specified by the manufacturer. Third, intermittent operation from loose or corroded terminals, which is solved by cleaning, tightening, and applying appropriate terminal protection and retesting under load. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners to local contractors for accurate diagnostics and reliable repairs related to thermostat and blower control problems. The site helps contractors find qualified leads by matching their services to homeowner project needs.